No truer words were ever spoken. Every thought is a prayer. Our friend Reverend Wendy Purcell writes, just for today, I practice being willing to look more honestly at my worries and my fears, rather than allowing them to hold me back or stop me. What if I saw them as invitations to step up, to lean in, to not walk away or veer off my path? On the other side of my fear lies growth and opportunity. On the other side of my fear lies growth and opportunity. I invite you now to take a deep, relaxing breath. Loosen your shoulders. Relax into your seat. Breathe in slowly and hold it to the count of 3. And then release it. One more time, breathe in slowly. Hold to the count of 3. And release it. And one more time, breathe in slowly. Hold to the count of 3. And release it. I invite you to visualize your yellow brick road right in front of you. And as you see that yellow brick road, I invite you to see yourself one step at a time, moving in the direction of your dreams, not bothered by what's going on either side of you or behind you, just staying on your path, not necessarily speeding up or slowing down, just taking your time on your path. I invite you to close your eyes if you haven't already and you feel comfortable. Rest your hands gently in your lap with palms up and just continue to breathe naturally. Try not to dwell on any particular thought or idea, but as thoughts and ideas come, just bless them. This is your journey. This is your path. No one can travel it but you. And at the same time, you are never alone. A stranger will come along the journey, maybe 1, 2, or 3, and they will give you ideas and information that will help you to continue toward your goal, to find your way home. I invite you now to take the time to just sit in the silence and just be in the silence. I invite you now to gently turn your attention to this time and space. And as you go through the remainder of the day, the week that follows, and the remainder of your 40-day experience, remind yourself, I am in the right place at the right time. I am right where I'm supposed to be. I stay on my path. And so it is. Amen.
Breathe through me. Breathe through me. O blessed Spirit, breathe.